Hello. Procreate and YouTube videos and the picture-in-picture function. Okay. I'm going to the internet. Okay. It only works for free when you're not a YouTube premium user with Safari browser and not the app. Also this is only for Safari YouTube user. And when you're in YouTube, you can search for the video you want, the tutorial you want to see. For example, I choose this. Hello. And now go in the full screen mode. This this small square here. This is full screen mode. And when you're in the full screen mode, on the upper left corner, there's the X sign and the small, brings a small video here. And now when you have this, you can adjust the picture or the video and bring it in the corner you want. And you can change your app. And you can also bring it to the side and bring it inside. This is Procreate. And now when you're in Procreate, you can create a new canvas. And you can stay here in the video. Procreate, use the playback
and
function
coloring pages. You don't need other apps to color such pages.
And you can
scroll
forward
like you want, and then you're fine.
Pause the video, and you can brush and work at the same time for free. Okay. Hope it helps a little bit and have fun with painting in Procreate. Ciao.